Hi, this is Mike DelSignore. Finished court today in Nantucket, and before I catch the boat, wanted to make a quick video about the breathalyzer. As many know, the breathalyzer is going to be used in Massachusetts now. We had basically a 2-year gap where they weren't using the breath test as a result of the Ananias litigation, where breath test results weren't admissible. Now, almost all police departments are in compliance with Judge Brennan's order requiring the test every machine be calibrated and annually certified after April 18th. So most police departments have complied with that requirement. The Office of Alcohol Testing is now accredited. So how do we keep these breathalyzers out of evidence? One, I think you want to make sure that the government has somebody to testify live about the annual certification. So based on the Zangler.decision, the court said, well, we can just submit these documents because they're business records and not created for the purpose of litigation. I think the Ananias litigation completely changes that. We know that the breath test machine, and Judge Brennan specifically found this, when it comes from Draeger, it's not the same machine that the police are using at the police departments. There are alterations to these things. There are calculations. You'll see all that on the annual certification sheet. So I think the Zangler.decision needs to be revisited in light of what we learned through the breath test litigation as a result of Judge Brennan's findings. So don't let these records come into evidence. Their primary purpose is for use in litigation. Otherwise, we wouldn't have had to have the Office of Alcohol Testing accredited. So I think that's number one, require confrontation. Number two, if the test comes in, there's still issues with the temperature, with the partition ratio, things that these machines are estimates. They're assuming people are all average. Make sure you educate the jury, make them aware that these breath test results are not something that are necessarily reliable. Your client may have acid reflux, may have asthma, difficulty breathing. So try to present that to the jury and to the judge if you can get the results excluded. Finally, government's got to comply with other regulations, a 15-minute observation period to get these tests into evidence. So if you have a breath test, contest these, fight this issue. If you have an issue with confrontation, if you have any questions, you can feel free to call me. In many cases, I'll write a brief for the National DUI College. So if you have a case and the judge incorrectly lets a test in, give me a call. I can maybe work with you on the case to help keep the results out and make good law for everybody, for everyone charged with OUI. It's Mike DelSignore from Nantucket. Have a great day.